Okay, so basically I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall or just install a new check valve. This is a check valve from Grundfos. It's an integral check valve, meaning it goes into the pump. I like these because they don't calcify up and stick open or closed. These only work with Grundfos. This is the UP 1529 SU. And then you've got to make sure you understand the inlet and the outlet on a pump. So centrifugal pumps, the water always comes into the center of the impeller, and then the centrifugal energy sends it out. So this flows this way. And if you ever wonder, there's an arrow right here too. Okay, so the check valve goes on the outlet side. So basically your pump's going to be connected with unions in a gasket. So very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to just undo the unions. So they'll be like this. This could be 3/4, could be half, could be 1 inch. So you take this out. It's going to have pipes going both ways. You take that out. Then you're going to put a little bit of silicone grease on the O-ring here. Okay, and then you know you've got the outlet side here. This inserts this direction like this, and it snaps in all the way in there. And the way that you take one out, if there is one in there that's gone bad, if the pump overheated or burned up, this can melt and get really hot and be hard to take out. But all you do is take it out like this. Sometimes it comes out in pieces. This end could stick inside, and then you just go ahead and get something to get it out. So that's how that works. So you put that in, snap it all the way in, slip it back in, make sure you get the flow the correct way, put it back in, put the gasket right here, the gasket, the unions, tighten it up, and you're good to go. So while we're talking about this pump, I wanted to explain what this screw is. This is to get air out of the pump. So basically, once the water's back on, you stick this in here, open this up while the water's on, and you'll get air and bubbly water, and everything will be coming out of here. Then close it, and you may have to open and close it several times to get all the air out. The way that you can tell all the air is out is because the pump will get really quiet. If the pump's loud, it means there's air in there. The other thing is, this can only be installed with the shaft horizontal. You can't install it like this, and you can't install it like this. You can install it like this, and you can install it like this. Those are the ways you can install it. If it's like this, bad. If the seals leak, water's going to come all the way down here and get the motor, get into the housing. You also don't want this on the bottom. So if you have to install it this way, you undo these 4 Allen screws, rotate this around, it'll just spin, put this up on top. So this is okay, this is okay, all these ways are okay. This is bad because this, you don't want the J-box on the bottom. You can't have the shaft vertical like that. That's a no-no. Okay?